All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're going to be doing today is what we call This Week in the Markets. We're going to be speaking about a couple specific chats, and the specific chats that we are charts. Specific charts that we're going to be focusing on are EURUSD, AUDUSD, USDJPY, and GBPJPY. I'm really excited today because I'm actually working on something on my other computer right here, and it's actually working, which is exciting. So it's going to be a short day. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is EURUSD, and I'm looking at EURUSD right now, and I'm up 111 pips, something like that. 111 pips. This was called. This is literally a trade that we called. Like on here, so you should be in this trade as well, and you should be holding this trade as well. Like, there's no reason to get out of this at all. Yeah, price pulled back up to this area right here, but in order for me to close out my trade, I closed out my trade past 38.2 on the closing on the 30-minute time frame above that area. If it doesn't close above that area, I stay in my trade. So we got out of one of the trades right here because it hit our take profit, and now I have another one that's just going, and we'll see how far this one's going to actually go. Essentially, let's look at the daily time frame, just see what's happening on the higher time frame, and see if we can be able to come up with anything extra than what we have today. Nothing crazy. Price may pull up. I'm like almost expecting that it'll pull up somewhere or along this region right here. And then, sorry. But then continuous way to the downside. I don't see any type of pulls to the upside at all here. All this stuff right here is some teaching that we did specifically for our students that are in the course. So yeah, so this is what we're looking at, man. I can't really say too much right now because we're still waiting. See if this shows us anything. I doubt this is something. Well, this is like 38.2. I doubt it though. There's nothing crazy. But yeah, I'm just looking for the continuation to the downside. I can't give like a specific like location as of yet because we're still on the same move. And I'd suggest not to get into any type of anything here. But we're looking for price to get to this area right here and possibly even lower. Let's see if we can be able to call anything. I doubt it. Let's see if this shows us anything. Yeah, it's the same thing that we had, possibly getting to this area right here and then continuing. And then pushing back up and then pushing back down. We would need a more of a retrace for me to be able to call something specific. Oh, dang. Got two videos going. Yeah. I'd need something. I would need for price to pull back up for me to be able to call something on this one. So nothing too crazy on this one right here, but we're up. So FxProNow.com is our website. If you like anything that we're doing, you've been following us for a little while. If anything, go ahead and check out our free 1 hour Forex course on FxProNow.com. It's a snippet of our 15+ hour course that we have that you can be able to get access to. So if you like anything that we got, FxProNow.com. Let's get it. All right. AU. So this right here, this one, I'm surprised. I don't think I've ever held a trade this long for AU before. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. I'm looking at my trade right now, and right now I'm up 171 pips on this one right here, which is freaking dope. And this is a portion of this trade right here. This is just a portion. We literally got in all the way to the top, thank God. And yeah, 171 popping. This was called, and this is obviously a continuation of a daily's trend, guys. Holy cow. A daily move. We caught a daily move. Point A, point B, point C. Holy cow. And we're looking for the continuation to 67, 78. Really exciting, guys. Really exciting. So this whole total move right here is a 300 blood cleat move. That's exciting. It's really exciting. So hopefully you caught this, because this was given. It was given to you. And I know for sure people that hopped in on this one are pretty happy. So with that being the case, nothing really too much I could be able to say more about this one, because we're in the middle of the move. This is not when you want to get in. But we called this one right here, 170 pips. Beautiful. Yeah, so we'll see how this one goes. We'll see if there's any we obviously have this area being broken. That's great, right, for the continuation, and it will possibly everybody that's enrolled in the course, respond to this person. Thank you. So for everybody, what am I talking about? So what happens is this area is broken right here. We're gonna have some type of pullback. Maybe then is when you could be able to actually hop in this one. Hopefully by hopefully on Wednesday when we get back on here at 10 p.m. And write to him fast, everybody. Hopefully we have the pullback starting tonight, a continuation of that pullback tomorrow, and then on Wednesday we could be able to go ahead and actually, enter in on the continuation to the downside. I'm almost sure that the pullback is happening now. We have these wicks right here showing bearish exhaustion, and I'm pretty sure it's starting now. So let's see. Nothing more I can be able to say. We literally caught this all the way at the top, which is fire. I love that, man. Being the fact that I don't stare at the charts all day. I don't catch these type of moves as often as I'd like. Sometimes I'm coming late. We literally caught this thing right on time. I'm so happy about that. Literally, it was this candle right here. You see where it says 22 all the way at the bottom, 18 July 19, 22. That's 10 p.m. my time. So that's when we start. We literally caught it there. And that's the candle that I teach. That one. This. That one. That. Or that one. Yeah. That's the candle, man. Called a daily move on the M35. So no real teaching on this one, but actually let me here. I'm gonna break it down completely. Who wants to break this down completely? I'm gonna break it down completely real quick. So this is how it goes. We have from point A to point B to point C, like the whole move. This right here, boom to boom, boom to boom. Even though there's a whole bunch of stuff going on over here, don't worry about that stuff. That's just noise based upon the daily time frame. So we have point A to point B to point C, 61.8. This is what we call a price reversal zone. And it's my favorite price reversal zone because it's not too steep, but it's not too shallow of a price reversal area. Most of my moves are based upon the H4 time frame, right? And the H4 time frame is correlating with the M30 time frame. Okay. Even though we're on the daily time frame, as far as the actual move, point A, point B, point C, which is correlating with the H1 time frame. So let's just say that this is the H1 time frame, right? So essentially, once we see this bearish engulfing pattern forming right at that 61.8 area, that's a signal to get in. Let's say we have another bearish engulfing pattern form, or this is a variation. These three candles right here forming to engulf that bullish candle right there. That's another confirmation. Plus the fact that we have a monthly key level in this area, that's another confirmation. This is what we call confluence, right? So we have 61.8 and a monthly key level. Both of these two things, it's not like on each other, but it's pretty close. And then it just kept on going, man. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look. I'm in. I love it. So hopefully you guys caught this, and hopefully, like we catch, because it should push back forward, push up, in the fact that it broke its level of support, and then from there, continuation to the bottom. So I hope you guys can be able to catch the continuation. So FxProNow.com. We actually have a free 1 hour Forex training that you can be able to get access to. It's one of the 15 plus hours that all of our students have access to. And I know for sure that 1 hour can be able to help out. We share a little bit about our story, share a little bit as far as like the secrets that we actually teach. Go look at FxProNow.com, brother. And then from there, we share what I really like about the thing, the 1 hour thingy, is the fact that we share the vision of where we're going, because it's not just some course that we're looking to just put out there. We literally have a vision of where we're going with this, and I'm really, really excited to be able to share this with people. So greatly appreciate your time, guys. If you have any other questions, FxProNow.com. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and you can be able to get access to everything. All right. Peace. One moment, guys. This computer is heating up. All right, UJ. All right, this is going to be an interesting one here. All right, what's going on, everybody? How are you guys doing? Welcome to FxProNow.com, where our goal is to be able to help you to make an extra $1,000 a month trading Forex online at home with your families. What we're looking at right now is UJ. When it comes to UJ, this was the one that was actually like slipping me up. It's like I was right at first, and then I switched it up, and then it switched what I was saying from the beginning, which is unfortunate. But point A, point B. So like I was saying over here, well, like I was saying here about this, I'm almost sure we're going to have this full thing right here. I'm almost sure. we're gonna have that. So let's look at the H1 time frame, see how things are moving. Did we break this area right here? We're still there. Honestly, I don't want to touch this right now. I'd rather it break. I'd rather it break because the thing is, it's right there right now. Honestly, like this is the best place to short, being the fact that the level of resistance is right there. Your resolution is blurry. I don't know what to tell you, brother. Being the fact that level of resistance was right there, you know, it'd be like the best time, but I'm almost sure this thing's gonna pop to the upside. I'm almost sure it's gonna break through there. So I don't even want to force it. The only reason why I would force it is because you guys are watching me. That's it. You know, that is it. Other than that, I wouldn't even. I was just like, oh, okay. Yeah. Like the same thing here. Yeah, I'm sure this is gonna keep on pulling, like back to this monthly type thing, and then from there continuation to the downside. How many pips is that? That's not even a lot of pips, man. For like the time it's gonna take to do this. I'm not even gonna say anything about this one, to tell you the truth. All right. And we got GJ continuing. On my other computer, I'm taking advantage of this Great Britain stuff. But as far as this, and isn't that funny? So back here, we literally said, hey, listen, price would go from here to here. And it is, which is insane. Holy cow, man. Here's the thing. The fact that this is pushing down so hard, I'm almost sure it's going to get to this 132 right here and then pop to the upside. This is like the last boom. I think so. I think this is the last real big push. Yeah, that's okay. But I have a strange feeling that we're going to find a level of support here. And you know, so crazy, man. Like I called this area so long ago and it hit it. That is crazy. I don't remember when I called this area. It was a long time ago, though. It was a long time ago. But I told you guys from up here, hey, listen, we're gonna have a move that you'll never forget. Start back in April, this was called. That's crazy, man. All right. I'm never going to what do you call it? Yeah, I'm never going to think that that GJ can't do something because it sure can. All right, so that's our session for today, guys. Nothing crazy. Like I said, I was going to make it short because I'm working on something that is super exciting. And at some point in time in the near coming months, you guys will know what the heck I'm talking about. Yeah. You guys will know what I'm talking about. And my gosh, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Like literally two major deals happening both at the same time right now this week. And I just got to test it out, for a couple months. Once I test these out, I could be able to share. But just know that I'm excited. Oh yeah. So if anything, I may be out of town on Wednesday. So that's why I didn't promote that we're going to be on tonight for the YouTube. I was just testing out to see if the YouTube was going to work again, being the fact that we've had some changes. So with that being the case, I may or may not be on Wednesday night. I'll let you guys know. All right. But I'm excited. So speak to you guys soon. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Peace.